So stepping inside the van, we have a 50-litre compressor 12-volt fridge with a small freezer compartment at the top. Above that we have the kitchen unit with 2-burner gas hob and extendable work surface. We've got a sink with fresh water, which below the bin you've got a pump here, and you've got your control unit and solar power controller and the electrics running through the vehicle here, and you can change all your fuses. And here is also the 75 amp hour battery. You've also got little twin recesses, more cupboard storage. All the LEDs inside are touch sensitive and dimmable. You can hold them down, change brightness. And you've got more lockers above the bed, one at either side. Overhead storage. You've got 2 double seats, and the table folds out. It also drops down onto the lower runner there to make a small child's bed, and there is 3 sections of foam that go on that as well. More storage up here, and then 2 lockers above. Got more pots and pans, and you've got the thermal blinds for the front windows. Inside here you've got more cutlery and plates. There we go. And underneath here we've got more storage, cupboards, and inside here is the gas. This is the gas bottle that has an external fill point on, so you never really need to get into this apart from just to turn it off. But on the exterior of the vehicle there is a fill point, so you can fill it up at any LPG station. And here is a view from the back of the vehicle.